Chinese chess, originally called liubo, after countless evolutions, and become what we are familiar with today. Liubo has 12 chess pieces. Each side holds 6, divided into black and red or black and white, 1 big and 5 small. The big one is called shell owl. The small one is called sand dispersed. Who catches the opponent's owl first wins. Why are there 5 soldiers and 1 king? China has a set doctrine, called the 5 elements. There is a shadow in 5 direction, and how 10 shadow is above the 5, usually in front of the temple, will display the flag banner 5 camp. From left to right, eastern green, southern red, central yellow, western white, northern black. Pawn of Chinese chess. In addition to symbolizing the 5 army camp, it also symbolizes the residents all over the land, uprising against the tyranny ruler. The pawns can only move 1 step. It can only move forward before crossing the river, and can go left and right after crossing the river, but can't go back because of the military ranks of soldiers, can be promoted, but cannot be depromoted, unless an extremely serious negligence is committed. Pawns reach the opponent's bottom line, is called militarily veteran. It cannot be promoted to other units. It can only move left or right, because the descendants of peasant are still peasant. The ultimate leader in the army is the emperor or the king, although now is the era of democratic and republic, but even the people's president, still the nominal commander-in-chief. Therefore, the generals of Chinese chess represents the honor of a country. Losing it equals losing the game. Chinese think a human being must integrity, step by step, cannot depend on connection, or take a shortcut, so the general of Chinese chess can only move vertically horizontally 1 step each time. It cannot move diagonally, and cannot leave the keep. The pieces next to the general symbolize counselor, think tank, guardian person, safety, alchemist, elixir, queen mother and queen consort, or the little emperor's aunt and birth mother. These people rely on connection to access to the center of power. Therefore, the advisor of Chinese chess move diagonally and cannot leave the keep. Looking at Chinese history, during the period of non-unification, often confrontation between north and south waters form a natural barrier. In the 5 elements theory, southern is red, northern is black. The red represents the Chinese tribes, move into the southern China. The black represents the nomads, occupied the northern China. River on the chessboard is the river that divides Shu and Han. Why name it as borderline? Because they are historically the first red and black forces acknowledge each other's territory. This introduction ends here. I am the original creator, Q Bowen. Goodbye.